Welcome back to Dr. Skull's Rock Comic Videos. I need to empty some boxes, so we're going to empty this one and see what all we got. We have a table lighter with a ship's wheel. Made in USA. That doesn't tell me much. It's cool. Let's see. A box of Alka knobs, and they're actually in there. They're nice. Those are some sort of Claire chip. So cool. And have a clock. True Time Teller's Tidy Tot. It's kind of spiffy. Yeah, this is all lined up. Holy crap, that one's heavy. The Westclox Big Ben Deluxe. And we have a empty vintage Mallory box for a potentiometer. There's definitely nothing in that. And we got a vintage Philco box, Philco parts. Says that's a 2-inch speaker. Really? And, well, yes it is. And it looks brand new. That's a new old stock. That's got to be from the 50s or 60s. So that's kind of cool. And we have a Zippo lighter. Got a bunch of birth dates from the 60s in it, on it. This must have been something to give them to a dad or something. Or a mom, because that's a female size. Oh, got an old Wurlitzer box. And it's full of screws, washers, resistors. Basically junk. It's a cool box. We have a Waterbury alarm clock from U.S. Time Corporation. That's kind of cool. Oh, and we have a little Westclox baby Ben. That's nifty. Oh, artsy fartsy one here. You got the dog and the fellow with the bow and arrow. No glass on the clock. Dash. Light der Helmet, that would be the song. Made in Switzerland. Fabricat Swiss. It's a cute little clock. No maker's mark. That's the stand for it. That's nice. Let's see. The little one here, there's a Seth Thomas. That crack in the case here tells me that's brass. Steel doesn't crack that way, only brass does. And that's the last one from the box. And this one is a Sessions. That's the stand on the back of it. So that's a cool little clock. So this was a pretty spiffy little box. Sessions, Seth Thomas, Westclox, vintage radio parts, the big Westclox Big Ben. A couple of lighters. Table lighter's cool. I just wish it had a maker's mark on it. Oh, let's see. It's out here. You turn the wheel, and it snaps up. Doesn't seem to be any flint in it, but that's cool. I have no idea how long ago I got these or what auction or where they came from, but we'll get it figured out. Eventually, these will all be up for sale. Right now, I just needed to clear a box, and this one volunteered. So if you like this sort of thing, please consider leaving a like. If you know somebody who might like it, consider sharing. Our eBay links are in the description. If you'd like to see more, as always, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.